Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Junction, and in this video we are going to see a sample letter to editor. So basically in this letter we are going to first read the question and then solve it. So there are so many municipal taps of drinking water installed in your city. For lack of maintenance, most of them are either leaking or left running by careless members of the public. Write a letter in 100 to 120 words to the editor of a local newspaper, drawing the attention of the authorities for proper maintenance and urging the public to be careful while using them. You are Arnit or Amrita, B94, Madan Mohan Nagar, Pune. So basically, first of all, we have to write the sender's address. So here we have written the sender's address, then we have written the date, and then the receiver's address, that is the editor, Daily Port Una, and then you have to write the subject, that is you have to start the subject with the regarding. So the subject would be regarding the wastage of water. So then you are to write the salutation, that is sir or madam, comma. So now the content part. So through the esteemed columns of your newspaper, I wish to highlight the wastage of water in Una city. The municipal body has installed a number of taps of drinking water for the welfare of the people. But sadly, for lack of maintenance, many of them are leaking or broken. People also leave the taps running after drinking water, which leads to a lot of water wastage. Water is a precious resource and we should use it judiciously. The government should enroll some plumbers who regularly maintain the taps. The general public should also take steps to minimize the water wastage. Schools, colleges, and housing societies should organize meets and spread awareness about the importance of water in our lives. It is difficult to have access to clean drinking water in many parts of our country. We should not take our blessings for granted. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Arnitya. So basically, what we observed in the letter is that there are so many suggestions given at the end. So when you're writing the body, the content of the letter, you have to first describe what the situation is, what are the causes of the situation, and then finally you have to tell the outcomes of that particular situation. And at last, in the last paragraph, you can change the paragraph and then you can totally suggest what the changes should be done and what are the requirements, what are the needs, right? So in short, you have to give the suggestions at the end, and then in the last you have to say yours faithfully, or you can say yours sincerely, or yours truly, and then name, right? So basically in a nutshell, you have to first write the receiver's address. You can use two lines here. One line has only been used, but you have to use two lines. Then you have the date, right? Then you have the receiver's address. So since we are writing to the editor, so it would be the editor, and then the address, then the name of the newspaper, that is Daily Port, and where it had its location, so that is Una only, and then subject, which is very important, regarding wastage of water. Then salutation, sir or madam, and then the content, and you can start with a good line like this one: through the esteemed columns of your newspaper, I wish to highlight the problem of dash dash dash, and then you can describe the situation in the following ways, and then finally you have to greet yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely, and then finally the name. So if you do this letter properly, like you follow the same format and you write the content of the letter nicely, then you're bound to get full marks for the letter writing. So I hope you all are clear with the example, with this given example, you're clear with the format and what you have to write in the content part. So I hope this video was helpful for you all. I would see you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye.